Hey y'all, it's Mary and I got my Stitch Fix. And Stitch Fix is a styling service. They'll send you clothing and coats, jackets, sweaters, boots, shoes, purses, jewelry, anything you can think of, anything you want, they'll send it to you. I mostly stick with tops because I have problems with fitting bottoms and I'm just picky. And I do like sweaters, like an over sweater. I'm not a big person, a person that'll wear a sweater, you know, just a pullover sweater. I don't like those. But anyway, I mean, you tell them what you like and what you don't like, and they figure it out for you. And I have had the same stylist since I've been getting Stitch Fix back in the spring, and she's done a really great job. And I've had a few 5 for 5s, and it is $20 for the styling fee. And that's what it'll cost you if you if you send everything back. It's free to send things back. They send you a mailer so that you can send back anything that you don't want. Whatever you keep, they take that $20 styling fee off of the price of your package for you, your items for you. If you sign up under me, most of the time you'll get $25 and I'll get $25 also. You'll get $25. So your first fix will be absolutely free, because if you get your 5 items and you don't like anything and you send it back, it costs you nothing because you got that $25 from me. You'll still have a $5 credit if you want to try a second fix. But you fill out a bunch of details and give them a lot of information. You're bound to like something that they send you. So this one says holiday cheer in here, and this is a bigger box than I usually get. And they send you an email. Not on your first fix, I think it's after that. You can ignore it or you could look. They show you 10 items and they ask you what you think. And then if you like 5 items, that might be what you get. If you like less than 5, then they'll send you something else that hopefully you'll like. And then if you choose more than 5, I guess they just pick 5. So this is what it looks like. And I see a few things in there that I did go through. And they also send you this envelope. In this envelope, you have your price list, and then you have your note from your stylist. So I will be trying things on, and let's see what we like. They also show you how to wear things. So I'm pretty slow about this. If I show you everything and then try it all on, this video takes forever. So I'm just gonna start with the try-ons, and then I'll come back and show you and pricing and all that good stuff. All right, y'all, so this is the first blouse. I like a longer blouse. I have an old house, so my floors are creaky. So let me just turn around real quick and show you this. And this is really pretty. I like this a lot. I normally don't like a sleeve like this. It's elastic, but it's not a tight elastic, and as long as it doesn't irritate me, which it doesn't seem to be, I'm okay with it. And then this, you can button this. This was buttoned when I got it. To me, that's a little high for a button, so I probably would not have that closed. But I love the pattern. It is a very, very dark blue with flowers on it. I really love it. This blouse is this length here. I'll turn around so you can see it. I try to tuck the tags inside. I really love this one also. This is a green with some flowers on it. And this is sewn right here, but it just goes like this here. There's no, you can't close that or anything. Sorry, I've got a little swatch on me from something. And these sleeves are 3/4 length, and I do like them very much. I love it. I love it. All right, y'all. This is a mandarin collar. It is, these are buttons, although they look like snaps. It buttons down. This is a long tunic. It's rather long, and this comes with this belt. It's snapped on here. I'll have to cut that. But it came around this way, and I'll put it around me and tie it. I absolutely would never wear it that way because that just accentuates my waist. So I will be taking that off of here, and I'll be taking the loops off of the side. If I keep this, that's what I would do. I love the color. The color's beautiful. There is a button here on each side, but I don't see any way for the sleeve to be brought up. Oh, maybe it's in there. I couldn't find it earlier. There should be a tab. Yeah, there it is. So you can roll up the sleeves and tab that up and make it a 3/4 if you want to. The color is beautiful. I love it. It seems a little tight on me, possibly in the shoulders. I could be wrong. But the cats are going crazy over this. So even if I don't want it, I may have to keep it because they may have snagged. Because it's like a silky feel. I'll have to see what the material is. Because if it's not washable, I'm not keeping it. I do ask them not to send me anything like that. So this is it all the way around. I do have on something underneath here. So that is that one. Y'all, I meant, well, the purple was on me to show you. They sent me 2 sweaters. Isn't this beautiful? This is so soft. Super, super soft. It won't go with this blouse, of course. But I leave a few sweaters at work, so I have them when I get chilly. And this is really nice. Oh, this has pockets. And this is not very long. It's not like a really long one, but I love it. I love animal print. So, it has a nice sleeve to it. It's almost like a sweatshirt, the way it's sewn there, instead of just being, you know, straight down. See how it has that cuff to it? But I love the pattern. And let me step back. Like I said, cats all around me, y'all. I'm not sure how the collar is. I may have to turn it just a little bit. But I love it. It is so soft. You can't even imagine. It doesn't look it, but it is so soft. And who doesn't love pockets? That makes me happy right there. And another sweater. I don't know that I need all these sweaters, but this one I have like an aubergine color that they call Carnival, that had these little dots. Can you see all these different colors in there? I think it was a different brand though than this. This one's a little bit different in that it has black at the bottom. Can you see that? And the ribbing is different. I mean, it's a ribbed, but let's put it on. And again, I apologize for my squeaky old floors. Oh, this is nice too. This is very soft, more of a sweater than that other. Got the tag. I'll turn around real quick and show you, and then I'm not sure if the tag is sticking out or what. But this has ribbing here, like it does at the bottom. And I feel pockets, okay? Pockets. So I love it. And I absolutely have been wearing that aubergine one like crazy with this little colors in it. But see how this has the black to it. I like that because I do have some black sweaters, hard to wear with cats. But I leave them at work, like I said. So this one's longer. I like that this one's longer. And, oh, I love it. I love it, y'all. So what do y'all think? This is weird because I've always had the same stylist, and this time they changed me up. They do ask if you want to keep your stylist, and I think I said, you know, I didn't necessarily care. Because I didn't feel like I connected with my stylist, even though she's been pretty good. So this is Larissa is my stylist. It says, "Hello, Mary, your new fix is here. How are you doing? My name is Larissa, and it's an honor to be styling you for this fix. I studied your profile and passed feedback to put together this amazing selection of items." Well, you know, it goes on. It's too long. Anyway, she tells me what things can go with, like leggings or fitted jeans, that kind of thing, which I have trouble with getting from them because I just am, whatever. It's not for me. Now, I do also have a little trouble figuring out what's what. So this blouse, I love it. It is, it's hard to see the color for me with the lights on the camera. It almost even looked black here, but it is teal. They say that it's teal green, and that's what it looks like. Teal, you know, teal is a green shade, but it's also a blue shade to me. And this looks like a true teal. This is the one with the little elastic around the wrist. And this is by Paper Moon. And it is called Grace Ruffle Sleeve Blouse. And it's $44. And it's absolutely beautiful. It's one of those pieces that I think I could wear it for I'm a classic kind of a person. I like classic clothing. So that's what that is. This one is by Daniel Rain. Daniel Rain, R-A-I-N-N. And it is in, it's the Coda, K-O-D-A split neck blouse, and it's $40.99. Now, I will tell you that all of these items are in 2X, and I normally wear a 1X if I go shopping, you know, just to, like Kato is Belk 1X. Sometimes the 2X will fit me. It depends on the cut of things. A lot of times things are a little big, like this is from Stitch Fix, and to me it's a little big the way that the shoulders are, but I wear it and I like it. So, and I love this. I just love the pattern. I like things with patterns, and I'll tell you why on the next blouse that doesn't have a pattern. This one, it's really pretty. I love it. So that's $40.99. And then the third blouse is the purple, which this one is called Harper Button Down Tunic Blouse. They're calling it burgundy, but this, well, maybe it is burgundy. I'm telling you, in different parts of my house, it looked purple over there. This felt a little snug on me, and you know, it's completely see-through. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is. But I did have on, I usually wear under things. And this is the one that has the tie around the waist, which I would never ever wear. But you know, if you had a flatter stomach and wore this with leggings, it would be super cute tied. I just don't like restricting things, and I don't like my belly, things around my belly tight. So this one is very pretty. I can put these sleeves up, but I probably would wear this with a sweater over it. Why I don't like plain. I don't like plain. I wouldn't pick this on my own, and if I'm not loving everything else, I wouldn't keep it. I am a spiller, whether it's a drink of water or my food, and right here, and then it stains. So when you have a pattern going on, it doesn't show. You can, you get out most of it. It doesn't show as much. That's really what my problem is. I don't mean to be messy, but I am. And then this sweater, this is by Love Ellie, I believe is the, where is the top of it? And I can tell you. Oh no, that's not what this is. All right. This is Bobo, B-O-B-E-A-U. I think I've had something else from them. Oh, I'm surprised. This is $58. I thought it was going to be the cheaper of the two sweaters. So this is, this is not sweater material. It's like a t-shirt. Well, it's like maybe it is like, it's a very, very thin sweater. Very, very thin sweater. Like I said, the way that it was put together is like like a sweatshirt. It has pockets, which just is my favorite thing on an over thing. But see that this all around the bottom has a trim like a sweatshirt. I love it. And that print is just at the top, toward mid, from the top to midway. I absolutely am in love with this. And I can't even tell you how soft this is. This is like your favorite blanket. A throw blanket. That's what it feels like, those fabulous throw blankets. And then it has the pockets. That one's $58. I did pick that out of the choices that they gave me. I think I picked all 4 of those things. So this was added by Larissa, and I think she did a fantastic job. I love this sweater. Things like this that are a little bit, maybe a little bit heavier. It's not heavy really, but longer and all. I can wear this in the fall, and I can wear this in the spring. Maybe not in the spring for the color, but in the fall I can wear this as a jacket here where I live. Because if it's in the 50s and 60s, this would be, in fact, right now, it's in the 50s. And it'll sometimes be in the 60s. This will be perfect as a coat. I won't need a coat. And this also had pockets. And I love that it's, because I love that aubergine sweater that I have. I would show it to you, but it's at work. But it has the confetti colors in there, and then it has the black ribbing on the ends of the sleeves and the end of the sweater. I'm in love with it. So to me, like I said, I would keep everything. The total is $240.99. If I were to take out the tunic of $44, that would make it just under $200, like $190. What would that be? $196. It's $180.74 if I keep everything with the discount. So it's cheaper for me to keep that tunic blouse. And you know, my plan is always to lose weight after the holidays. We'll see how that goes. But anyway, I have the Style Pass. So I want to say I paid $99 for that. I could be wrong. They offered me that in the summer, and that covers you for 365 days. So I don't pay that $20 styling fee. But had I paid the $20 styling fee, they would take it off of this. I paid $99, I think, for that for the Style Pass. And then the first time I bought something, they took it off of there. You know, so, because I think I bought a 5 for $5. I think I got all 5, because that's what's been happening to me. So this total is $180.74. So that is what, like $36 or so a piece, right? 5 goes in 3, and then something like that. Anyway, $36-ish an item, and I don't have time to go shopping, and this saves me money it saves me time. And I don't have to run around and try to find things that fit me. These all will work. Like I said, that tunic is not my favorite thing. But if I send that back, it would cost me more to keep the other items that I do love. I love those other 2 blouses, and I love the sweaters. So I'm very, very happy with this fix. And I did pick that tunic. I probably shouldn't have, knowing that it was just one color. So that is my fix. And if they give me, usually the going rate right now is $25 if you sign up under me. You get $25, I get $25. Once in a great while, I see another creator get $50. Long time ago, they would even give $100. I don't think they do that anymore. So when I check out, I'm told it'll tell me what I can share with y'all. If it's anything different than the 25, I'll put it in the title, and I'll put it on my community tab, because that has to be used very quickly, I believe. So I do have a couple people that have signed up under me and then never got a fix. So if that's the case, I don't get any money. You don't get any money till you get your fix. So you have to go for it. It is, I will tell you, I've had this since spring, and the quality of the products are very, very nice. I have some pants from them that I really like, and then I have some sweaters and blouses that I love. My summer blouses, I love it. I love it. I'm changing out my wardrobe. All my old stuff I'm getting rid of, and I'm keeping all my Stitch Fix. I've been loving it. So I just want to tell you that it's really worth it, especially if you're low on time. And you can get it as often as you want. I think you can get it as soon as every 3 weeks. You can get extra if you like it. You know, you've got a holiday, you've got a wedding you've got to go to, and you want a special outfit. You can let them know, and they'll send you things to try. And you can get it you can get it as seldom as, I don't know if it's every 6 months or every 3 months. But since I have that Style Pass, and I don't have to pay that $20, I was getting it once a month. But then I got a little overloaded in the fall. So now I think it's been 2 months since I got it. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do going forward, but we'll see. But I love it. I absolutely love it. And I know several other creators that love it. And let me know what you think. And if you want to try it and you're not sure, ask me questions. Y'all, thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.